So hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So in this lecture I will talk about economics. So if we talk about economics definition, so economics is the study of how society manages its scarce resources. So it means how to make efficient choices and how to allocate scarce resources efficiently. So economics have two parts. First one is microeconomics and the second one is macroeconomics. So macroeconomics is decision making by households and firms. So it aggregate as roots. So for example, currently you are reading in a university and the university system goes into microeconomics. So if we talk about macroeconomics, it is the study of economy-wide phenomena. For example, how much total rice should be produced by the government and its aggregate as whole. Suppose England education system. So England education system goes through macroeconomics. So if we talk about economics, so we have to know about what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. So it is important to address the needs of a society. The needs then has to be addressed with necessary and available resources and technology. The product thus produced then has to be properly and equally distributed in the society. So this is the definition of economics. So we'll talk about the 10 principles of economics in the next video. So thank you so much for giving your attention to my video, and hopefully we'll see you everyone in the next video. So thank you so much.